If you've been looking for a simple way to collect subscribers and automate emails right from your website, this quick guide will show you exactly how to connect Mailchimp with WordPress for 2025. First, open your browser and head to the WordPress website. In the top right corner, click Log In. When you're prompted, choose Continue with Google. It's fast, secure, and skips the hassle of typing credentials. Just select the Google account you want to use and you'll land on your WordPress dashboard. Now, let's set up the integration. On the left-hand menu, click Plugins. This is where you add features and tools to your site. Once you're in the Plugins page, look for the search bar and type Mailchimp. Hit enter and you'll see a list of Mailchimp-related plugins. Browse the options and select the Mailchimp plugin that fits your needs. Most users go for the official or highly rated ones. Click the plugin to open its details page. Here you can check compatibility and read about the features before installing. If the plugin requires a payment, just complete the purchase right on that page. WordPress will walk you through it securely. Once payment is done, or if the plugin is free, hit install and then activate. That's it. Mailchimp is now connected to your WordPress site. From here, you can create sign-up forms, automate newsletters, manage campaigns, and start tracking your audience activity without touching any code. Even beginners can set this up in minutes. If this tutorial helped you out, drop a like and let me know in the comments what integration you want to see next. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward WordPress and marketing tips. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.